Most people think layoff happen only during the recession. That thinking is outdated. If you don't understand what is happening right now in the job market, you may be already be falling behind. This is not a video about recession. This is about why even a good performer are losing job quietly without realizing it. If you believe that layoff happen only in a bad times, you are missing a very important change. What is happening now in the job market is silent, permanent, and already affecting millions. So stay with me till the end. Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Career Talk. My name is Sunan Sharma and I am based in Netherlands. Here at Career Talk, we try to share IT industry insights and talk about things that truly matters in our professional and personal lives. Friends, earlier when companies had a bad year, they would announce one big round of layoff and everyone got scared for some times, but after that things become stable. It was painful, but at least people knew clearly either you lost your job or you were safe. Now that clarity is gone. Companies are cutting jobs little by little, slowly, and every month some people are removed. One team is restructured, other team is optimized. On paper, these numbers look small, but when you add them over the year, the total becomes very large. Many people lose job quietly without any big news or headlines. Economists call this a K-shaped economy. Imagine the letter K. One side is going up, people working in the right industry with in-demand skills, they are earning more money and getting bonuses. The other side is going down. Many IT office worker, middle manager, the support staff, they are losing jobs or moving to a lower paying roles or short contracts or freelance work. Now in some areas, blue collar jobs are doing fine because there are not enough skilled workers to build, to repair or transport things. But office jobs like marketing, HR, middle management, IT, software, junior analyst, and even some engineers are under constant pressure. This is why people are now talking about a white collar recession. There are few main reasons for this. First, easy money is over. For many years, companies could borrow money very cheaply. They hired too many people and they started many projects. Now the interest rates are higher. Investors want real profits. To show control, all these companies reduce staff. Second, technology and AI. Many tasks done by people can now be done by software. Even if AI is not perfect, companies believe that fewer people with technology is enough. So they reduce the headcount. Third, fear is in leadership. Many managers do not want to admit that they grew too fast or made wrong decision. So instead of one big layoff, they do small cuts again and again. Now this avoids bad publicity but creates constant fear for employees. Now this situation badly affects people's minds. When layoffs keep happening, it becomes difficult to plan life. Buying a house or having children or supporting parents feel risky. Even in a good year, people know that their job can disappear anytime because of a decision taken far away somewhere else. And other serious problem is silence. When people are afraid of losing jobs, they stop speaking up. They do not question bad policies or unfair decisions. They just try to survive until the next quarter. Now this is not a healthy for a society or a democracy. People become stressed, angry, and divided. So what should we do? First, understand the reality. For many office workers, a job is no longer permanent. It is like a contract, even if it does not say so. So plan your life with this in mind. Try to save money, keep good connections, upgrade your skills regularly. Second, reduce dependency on income, on just one income. So this could mean learning a second skill, doing a small side work, or living within your means. Today companies are shifting risk from themselves to individuals, and positive thinking alone will not going to solve this. Third, you should look at bigger picture. When the middle class feel insecure for a long time, politics become extreme. People start looking for someone to blame or someone who promised big change. Now, these continuous layoffs are not just an office issue, they affect the future of our society and the country. The world is changing fast, and the large companies care less about long term job security. So, you must focus on your own resilience and backup plans. In today's system, it is wise to plan your life assuming tomorrow is not guaranteed. Friends, if you feel that whatever I share today reflect reality, please share this video and do hit like button so YouTube know that this content is valuable and can reach more people. Thank you.